The Fisherman's Wharf on the northern waterfront is one of San Francisco's busiest tourist areas. In this video, I will take you on a journey to experience the sights and sounds of Fisherman's Wharf and its historic Pier 39. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So today I am going to give you a walking tour of the world famous Pier 39 and Fisherman Wharf area of San Francisco. This is a historic place. So many things to see, so many restaurants to check out. I'll be eating in one or two restaurants maximum, maybe one. If I eat, I'll show you that, but I'll walk around and show you an idea of what this place is all about. It's a happening place. It's world famous. If you are in San Francisco, I'm pretty sure you will check it out. But watch this video fully to get an idea of how this place is. So let's get started. Come with me. If you plan to drive your car to the Fisherman's Wharf, you should know that parking is very limited here. I was lucky to get a 2 hours free validator parking directly across the street from the Franciscan Crab restaurant. So this place is famous for a lot of fresh seafood. So there are a lot of seafood restaurants all around this place as you walk, and I'm getting hungry. So let's go and eat at the Francisco Crab restaurant. I think it's one of the best recommended restaurants to have crab in this area. So let's go and check it out. Come with me. Built in the late 1950s and recently remodeled, the Franciscan, as it is popularly known, has been a long-standing part of San Francisco seafood dining and Fisherman's Wharf's landscape. The Franciscan offers superb panoramic seafood dining. Enjoy seafood favorites, Dungeness crab, crispy crab cakes, seafood antipasto, fresh oysters and steamed mussels. The Franciscan Crab Restaurant also features freshly made burrata and salumi. Countless visitors, both native and from afar, have made the Franciscan restaurant a local tradition in seafood dining on the wharf. Hey guys, so I'm at the Pier 39, sitting down at the Franciscan Crab Company. I think that's the name of the restaurant. Oh, Franciscan Crab Restaurant, to have some good seafood. I hope you enjoy this video of a tour of Pier 39 in San Francisco. High ceilings and 20-foot windows offer unforgettable views of San Francisco Bay, the Golden Gate Bridge, the Bay Bridge, San Francisco's spectacular skyline, Alcatraz Island, and of course, historic Fisherman's Wharf. The walls of this restaurant are decorated with the photographs of many famous people who grace this restaurant with their presence. There are countless pictures and you will lose track of time going through each one of them. There are photos of stars of the 1950s, 60s and 70s, including Frank Sinatra, Ronald Reagan, Angie Dickinson, Jack Nicholson and Marilyn Monroe. Whether they all ate there is debatable, but it's a good conversation starter. The view from here is just beautiful. Enjoy crab sandwich and enjoy the scenery. So nice place. I would recommend this restaurant if you come to the Fisherman Wharf in San Francisco. You will see a steady parade of plated crab being carted from the kitchen through the nearly 300-seat dining room. It's the most popular item, but there are other items that make this place popular as well. I tried many of them, mostly involving crab. I'm going to share
the snapshot of few of these delicious food here for your viewing pleasure. Enjoy. I have to say, I thoroughly enjoyed the food. Delicious. After enjoying a sumptuous meal, it was time to explore the rest of the wharf and head towards Pier 39. Across the street from the Franciscan is the home of the famous and iconic Sourdough Bakery and Cafe. They pride themselves in being the original San Francisco sourdough. Today, they still bake their sourdough fresh every day using the same mother dough cultivated from a gold miner's sourdough starter. Sourdough at the Fisherman's Wharf is San Francisco's oldest continuously operating business. It was established in 1849.
That's the big bus tours. You can climb onto that and then explore the entire San Francisco city. I have done that before. I'm not going to do that today.
The Fisherman's Wharf is a true San Francisco treasure, a place where the city's maritime industry meets history and pleasure. Every visitor will agree that Fisherman's Wharf is very touristy, but regardless, everyone will enjoy the area's fun atmosphere.
Christians hold on to, because he lives, we can face tomorrow. He was there.
The Fisherman's Wharf gets its name and neighborhood characteristics from the city's early days of the mid to later 1800s, when Italian immigrant fishermen came to the city to take advantage of the influx of population due to the gold rush. Most of the Italian immigrant fishermen settled in the North Beach area close to the wharf and fished for the local delicacies and Dungeness crab. From then until the present day, the wharf remained the center of operations for San Francisco's fishing fleet. Despite its redevelopment into a tourist attraction during the 1970s and 1980s, the area is still home to many active fishermen and their fleets. A number of boat rides and bay cruises leave from the Fisherman's Wharf, which also includes tours of the historic Alcatraz Island, also known as The Rock. In 1985, the wharf was used as a filming location in the James Bond film A View to a Kill, where Bond, played for the last time by Roger Moore, met with CIA agent Chuck Lee in his quest to eliminate the villain of the film, Max Zorin, played by Christopher Walken. Pier 39 is the place to be in the Fisherman's Wharf. Right now I am at the Pier 39, which is popular for its shops, restaurants, a video arcade, street performances, the Aquarium of the Bay, virtual 3D rides and views of California sea lions hauled out on the docks on Pier 39's marina.
I'm standing right in front of the Hard Rock Cafe in Pier 39. Check it out.
To lead her to the bed is the most cowardly thing you could do for your pleasure.
Once at the Pier 39, I went to have coffee at the Biscoff Coffee Corner, which is the first cafe in North America to serve a free Biscoff cookie with every coffee beverage. These crisp caramelized cookies are imported from Belgium and are 20% of all the cookies eaten in Belgium. I also picked up a pack of Biscoff espresso coffee beans. If you like donuts and has a sweet tooth, you should definitely check out Trish Mini Donuts, which are warm, sugary and shareable treats made fresh before your eyes. I loved these. Hijacked from Trish Conklin's family carnival business, these mini donuts have stolen the show at Pier 39 and routinely shows up on many best donuts in San Francisco lists. Pier 39 is very touristy and filled with shops to buy souvenirs to take back with you as a memory of your visit to the great city of San Francisco. One such popular store is this cable car store, which is dedicated to one of the city's most famous symbols, the cable car. You will find all kinds of souvenir gifts here featuring this quaint form of transit. If you are particular and want to buy only keychains or fridge magnets as your souvenir, then you will also find specialized shops for these at Pier 39. For the fun lovers, Pier 39 also has the Bay Plunge and the San Francisco Carousel. The Bay Plunge rotates 12 riders at a time, 40 feet up a spire, providing a magnificent 360-degree panoramic view of the San Francisco Bay. Handcrafted in Italy, the San Francisco Carousel is intricately hand-painted with famous San Francisco landmarks including the Golden Gate Bridge, Coit Tower, Chinatown, Lombard Street, Alcatraz, and the popular California Sea Lions at Pier 39, making it the only carousel in San Francisco that has artistic renderings of the city. The Players Sports Grill and Arcade, located at the bay end of the pier, boasts 12,000 square feet of dining, games, drinks, and bay views. The Pier 39 is home to Open Heart, part of San Francisco General Hospital Foundation's 2014 Hearts in San Francisco collection that supports the vital programs and initiatives of San Francisco General Hospital and Trauma Center. The Open Heart sculpture is permanently located on level 1 at the picturesque bay end of Pier 39. It was hand-painted by local artist Patrick Dintino, a San Francisco native whose mother's life was saved more than a decade ago by open heart surgery. From the bay end of Pier 39, you also get good views of the Golden Gate Bridge and Alcatraz Island. If you are a visitor, this is a good spot to capture some memorable photos. The fudgery at Pier 39 is widely known for its handmade traditional fudge in addition to its unique brand of singing fudge makers. This interesting shop, which is open 365 days a year, called Christmas in San Francisco, features a wide range of unique holiday decorations. You can also enjoy free performances from street performers and musicians who entertain Pier 39 visitors daily at the Smart Water stage.
No, you have to go like way up high, so it's dangerous. It gathers a big crowd. Right? Well, that would be stupid. Come on now. Just to take like 4 steps up. The lovely lady right over here, all is the single pirouette. So we're gonna start off with my solo 3+ juggling routine. Because
This place gets more interesting as you keep exploring it. Pier 39 also has the world's only left-handed store, Lefties. Pier 39 also houses a 300-berth marina by the bay. The moment you enter Enlightenment and smell the burning incense, you will feel calm and relaxed. You can find everything from unique Asian themed art, kimonos and chopsticks to beautiful tea light holders and a gorgeous line of glass bedded necklaces.
Oh, they're french fries, Mom.
Golden.
Is that cheese?
Cheesy one.
Ew.
It's savory, not sweet, Kennedy.
I was very excited to try out one more place before I leave Fisherman's Wharf, the Crepe Cafe. The banana crepe was delicious. It was soft, filled with freshly cut bananas and topped with whipped cream. I would definitely recommend these funnel fries, which is one of their specialties. Yummy. There are so many things to see and explore in the Fisherman's Wharf, especially in the Pier 39, that it is very difficult to put everything together in a video. You should definitely visit this historic place if you are visiting San Francisco. I had a great end to this amazing day with this beautiful sunset as seen from the wharf. Even at night, the Fisherman's Wharf has a unique charm with its bright lights and never stopping music. I spent the rest of my time at the wharf enjoying the night lights and headed to the parking lot to go back home. I love the Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco. It is always a great pleasure to visit this historic place. The Fisherman's Wharf is proudly unique among the scenic waterfront attractions of the world, and you can definitely say the history of San Francisco lives on at the Fisherman's Wharf.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel, LivetoTravel. So as always, take care. See you in the next one. Bye.
To get instant notification when I upload new videos, please press that bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.